YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So this video, I have no idea where it's gonna go. I just landed in Salt Lake City, Utah. You know a lot of the people that live in Salt Lake City, Utah. I think the first thing we're gonna do, I have a crazy story for you guys. I had rented a Turo, kind of a cool Turo, and he didn't show up. So I did everything went good, and then my Turo didn't show up. So then they have no rental cars. All they had was a 17-person van or something or a 12-person van for $1,700. So I ended up in a Nissan Rogue something. Waited an hour and a half. We were all good. We are gonna get in on the road, and we're gonna go to. I think we're gonna go to Lamborghini of Salt Lake City right now.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had afforded. Just like I
had to check this new dealership out. This place is absolutely incredible. We got like TRXs all over the place, stacks of Bentleys. We've got an SVJ. We got Uruses. Look at these. I think I need one of these. Actually, I think the biggest thing I'm getting out of this trip is that I need to live here. Look at this. You can look at Lambos and mountains all at once. We got black badge rates. We've got, this place is absolutely incredible. So let's take a quick peek inside, and then we're gonna go get checked into our hotel room. All right, guys, so it is day three out in Utah, and I went to the Lion's Not Sheep. I went to Sean's deal yesterday, and I didn't bring a camera. I didn't bring my phone. I barely use my phone at all. I got a couple pictures. That's it. My mind has been absolutely blown. Obviously, we are pushing our brand. That is the biggest thing I'm working on. Oh, slow down, turbo booster. With all these big, crazy moves comes like there's stress, there's just craziness. So I took a drive this morning, and check this freaking view out.
in your arms of gold.
Does it get any freaking better than this? So we're meeting up with someone special here very shortly. We got offered to take well, a Raptor and a Hellcat, but with these mountain roads, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna stick with the Rogue. All right, guys, so check this out. Who's this? Oscar. Hi, babies. And who's this?
Yo.
What's up? How you doing?
Good, you?
Dude, I'm doing amazing. The views, I need to live here. I need to live here. I said this last time I was here. I'm gonna say it again, and I'm gonna keep saying it until I live here.
It's also 50 degrees now, and I believe you just said it's 17 with 173 mile an hour wind at your place, so.
And snow.
Oh, okay, yeah, we haven't had snow.
No, and I was, you guys just saw, I was up in the, where did I drive to? I drove to where you told me to.
You did? The canyon? Little Canyon?
And then I kept going.
Oh, you went up
it takes you up to,
okay.
the ski resort?
Yeah.
Dude.
Yeah.
And it was awesome. It was, dude, the views, the people, all the stuff.
You did it in what car, though?
Dun-dun-dun! This bad boy.
Yeah. When you could have done it in...
Well, so the invite was open. I just couldn't bring myself because I'm like, you know, what if it'd just be my luck and then something would happen and then...
I'm just saying, next time, Little Cottonwood Canyon, you know what I'm saying?
Been way better.
Next time.
Next time. What are we driving?
It's your call. I'm suggesting this or that because they're bigger. The Viper is so small, but if you want the Viper, I've got floss and I've got Viper keys.
I think we should do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's going away, so might as well.
What?
Yeah. Soon.
Where's it going?
I don't know. Something else is going to park here, so I need to swap it out.
Did
forever.
they hear it here first?
So we're gonna sell or trade that in for something that hopefully costs more.
Like Lamborghinis?
No, I can't fit in Lamborghinis. So Huracan.
Do you fit in a Huracan?
I can't afford a Huracan. So I can fit in a Huracan.
I've got one that you need.
But I can't afford a Huracan.
But this one you probably could.
Okay.
It's broken. It's broken.
So I can sit in it, but I can't drive it. All right, you ready for a V10?
Ready, and ready. All right, we can function. We got food. We got some chubbies.
I was like here, and you don't ever want to see me below here, so we were close to. This is never before seen on the internet. This is a
Never.
exclusive.
I'm the first one.
First one.
Yeah. So
Welcome.
This is like a release. What did they call it?
First release. You're putting me on the spot here. Cut beta.
No, the reveal.
The reveal. Oh, the reveal.
We're gonna go with the reveal. Reveal.
Yes.
All right. In real life, it's totally different.
It's huge.
It's huge.
Yeah. Here, let's get some perspective.
Yeah. So you take me. I'm about.
You're 6'5"?
6'6".
6'5", 6'6"?
Yeah, and I mean these tires are.
Yeah.
You know, like right there. I wouldn't say like I need one.
You can say need.
I would
You
say
know what you need?
I would say I need one. This is done really, really well.
You know what you need, though? You need what's behind the doors.
Do you know how to open it?
I do.
Do you think he's even home?
I need a drink.
Does he have drinks?
New, stocked.
So I haven't, not in person.
Because he had that. You never saw him in person?
No. The Bugatti was there.
Okay, so
that was cool.
That's right,
Yes.
you saw the Bugatti. Yeah. The Bugatti's still here.
The Bugatti's over here.
You want to see something? You want to see something that's nervy? This dude.
Oh my gosh.
This dude. The sneak behind there.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
And check the clearance. This guy has skills. We're talking skills on skills. Look at that. He fits that thing in there. Beautiful. Yeah, then we got the Mercy, obviously, he picked that up.
Yep, this thing is insane.
The Countach.
That's one of my favorite. What is that? One of
20.
1 of 20.
Can we acknowledge one thing on your channel though? If you turn around, the cardboard tape.
I wasn't sure if we
That
could.
was me.
I
did that for him. That was my gift to give him some privacy and security.
It's well done.
Thank you.
Yes. All right, so I was just escorted in and snuck into. There it is. Look at that, dude. The Bachelor Pad of the Year.
I respect him. That's it.
Look at that.
I respect him.
No way. Nice work.
Not bad, eh?
And so we're getting the whole tour here. There it is, the famous honey bucket.
The honey bucket cost some good money.
Dude, I got a honey bucket at my house.
You're not a local channel, so your people. I don't know. Do you have honey buckets?
They're not honey buckets.
So my point being is, here in Utah, honey bucket is the like.
That's the primo.
Do you want to check it out?
Yeah, we'll have to.
Yeah.
We'll get a walkthrough.
Yeah. Give a house tour.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
This is there's actually a lot of. The honey bucket could use some cleaning.
Why don't you jump in there? I'll show you how stable it is during an earthquake.
Hey, this is nice.
I thought about actually pushing you over.
Tipping it over?
That would have been.
It would have been great for the channel.
Yeah.
So this is why he's got Kirkland juice.
Yeah, he paid for lumber.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight.
Picture a car right there.
Up or right on the beam?
So the car's here, it's gonna go wheels on the wall. I've tried to get him to do a Mustang. Something about a Lambo being cooler.
How about a smart car?
Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it.
This is a garage. What do you think?
We can fit a bunch of smart cars in here.
How many?
80 to 85. Exactly, I've done the math. But I need your help. I heard you had a few.
I have a few. I don't have 80.
But you started. I have 1.
Okay, you have 1. We have 3.
So,
I mean, what would James think?
he loves a smart car.
But would he love 80 of them?
In his garage, 100% no, but maybe we should do it anyways.
The logistical part of this would be the people that would have to help by bringing their smart.
So the main thing is he's not anti-smart car. He's where do his Lambos go then?
Well, there's a ton of room outside.
Oh yeah, that's true.
And these are smart cars.
They'll be fine. Yeah.
All right, so what are you working with there?
So I'm gonna be straight up honest.
Do we need to Google it?
I don't remember how to turn on the headlights. I never drive this thing at night.
What's
wait,
this
wait,
thing?
wait, 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 wait.
Oh, got it.
It's
You
like
knew,
the old,
you knew.
it's the old Fox body muscle memory. It came back.
Perfect. Always in Utah, there's just the amazingness of cars. And check this out.
What's up?
Yo,
I made
We
it.
found him at
I
the
just
restaurant.
found you.
Pizza. We found pizza. We found James.
Yeah, that's where pizza is. I am at.
You're like flying. Like you were out flying by your.
By myself for 4 hours today. I flew to Wendover, to Tooele, to Bountiful. Didn't crash.
He's alive, healthy, strong.
Landed successfully 3 times. Only messed up a couple times. Air traffic control
landed-
only yelled at me a couple times.
You also landed without the parachute.
yeah. No, I have not used the parachute one single time yet.
Not bad. Hey, you're doing better than some of the other channels.
We want to kind of keep that percentage. Oh. Yeah, true. Yeah, insane.
All right, guys. So thank you so much. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. With that, we're out.
We're out.
Peace.
Peace.